What's up, y'all? Your girl is back with a new video. So today we did a simple tutorial. We just did a little light beat on the face. We did super simple. Little foundation. Well, to be honest, it's really about this Nars foundation right here, but y'all will see, okay? Some highlight, some eyebrows, and some lipstick. I mean, not that anybody's gonna see our lipstick with our masks on when we go outside, but anyway, regardless, I had to give the Spanked Fenty lipstick another appreciation day because, y'all, I haven't worn lipstick in God knows how long, okay? And I'm kind of upset about it. Oh, Jesus. And Rihanna came out with some new lip glosses and lipsticks, and I'm just like, Corona, why are you doing this to my life? Because I want to go spend some coins and I can't, but whatever. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Thanks for tuning back in. If you guys are new here, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to get notified when I post, because I don't know when I'm posting. Only God knows the answer to these questions, okay? Very random. Yes, I know, y'all, I need a schedule, but we ain't there yet, okay? We getting there. And yes, your girl got her claws back, y'all. Yes, you seen it right, okay? But it's a very light beat. I hope you guys like this look. If you want to see how I achieved it, keep watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. So here's the little backstory, because there's always a backstory, okay? So I went to, no, I didn't go. I did an online order for, was it Ulta? Yes, for Ulta. And I got the Nars. This is the All Day Luminous foundation. I forget what the other one's called, but it was for the other one. It's similar to this. And I did the online order. I got there and she said they didn't have it. I was upset. So a couple days later, I go to Sephora and I find this one. This is not the one I wanted, but it is Nars. It is a semi-matte foundation, and it is in the color Macao. It is extremely liquidy. I do not like that. I'm used to more creamy consistencies. Fenty, obviously. I would say make sure you leave on the top while you're shaking it, because I took the top off the first day and I was shaking it. It was just coming out as I was shaking it, and I'm like, Jesus. So it's super liquidy, you guys. So just keep that in mind. And I also went and got some primer. This is the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. And I got the mini one because I wanted to try it. And y'all, I need a mirror. Hold on. Now, see, I knew I was missing something, y'all. I needed a mirror. Okay. And it's very thick and it's very hard to come out. I don't know if it's coming out, but it's like a thick, pasty consistency. So I'll take a little bit and kind of put it in my problem areas. Let's go in with just a little bit of color correcting. Like I said, this is a light beat, so I'm not gonna be extra today. I mean, it's not like I have anywhere to go. So just a little, not a lot. And I'm not even gonna do under my eyes because concealer will be fine. All right, y'all, so I have you know what? We're gonna shake it again with the top on, okay? Shake it. I'm gonna pump it on my hand and show you guys just how freaking liquidy it is. Y'all see this? It's just running down my hand. I hate that. Like, but I will say what I have noticed, because it is so liquidy, it's kind of sheer. So it's not heavy and it's buildable. So far, so good. I love Nars. I love everything about Nars. I just really like a thicker formula. But then again, this could be good for me because, you know, I won't put on too much. And I am sitting in front of my front door because I didn't really know where I wanted to set up today. And there's no sunlight outside, so I had to make do, y'all. So my favorite LA Girl Pro in the color Fawn. She's my favorite. I always use it under my eyes. But then I also went and got another one the other day, a little lighter, just for those days where I want to be a little extra. Because sometimes I don't want to just conceal it. I want to like pop that under eye contour. So I'm going to use just a little bit. And it is in Tawny. She's a light girl. We're going to use just a dab. Just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. And I'm going to put a little bit on my nose. A little right there. And then go back with my Fawn for everything else. Blend this out. Now, one more check. Gotta check, y'all. Gotta check. Yep, I love it. Looks really good, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and powder under my eyes. We'll bake under my eyes, and then I'm gonna do my brows. While I let this sit on my nose, I'm gonna leave it for a while because, as you guys know, I'm not the best at contouring. So I like to let this get a little thick, and then I'll go in and with some powder and dust it. So I'm just using my Anastasia powder mixed with a little Fenty, like y'all know, because there's still some in here from last time. Alright, you guys, I have powdered under my eyes and around my nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. And today I think I'm going to go ahead and carve them out because I never do that. Well, I've never done it for a video. Let's put it like that. I occasionally carve out my brows. Like, I have to really be going somewhere, like really going somewhere. It just takes forever. Like, don't nobody got time for that every day, y'all. Like, we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. This is not an everyday thing for me, so don't be laughing at me and judging me. I have my Anastasia DipBrow in Ebony, my all-time favorite. Alright. We will leave this and come back after we do the other one. And swipe up to fill in the front part. Just like that. And then you can see where things get a little choppy. I'll just go in with some concealer and clean it up a little bit, like we gonna see. So I'm gonna get that right there. A little more. Carve out the top and the sides. Y'all see this? You know, for an amateur, you know, I gotta give myself a little, just a little bit. Alright, y'all, so I have carved out my eyebrows. I think they look pretty good, actually. So now I'm gonna blend out my concealer foundation mix that I had. That looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose and finish this face. So I'm just gonna take some powder, like I always do, just some dark powder, and my little brush and go down my nose. And now I'm going to use the same powder for my face, on my eyelids. It's gonna be my eyeshadow because simple. Alright, so now I'm just dusting off my face so that I can highlight, do some mascara, and we're done, you guys. And I lied, y'all. You know we got a contour. Okay, can't forget the contour. Yes, y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's like... Also, I have unbaked my face. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some highlighter. So, one of my favorite combos is the Fenty Trophy Wife Killawatt. And if I can find it, the other Fenty favorite is Confetti and the matchstick, which, y'all, it looks terrible. Please don't judge me. But I'm gonna put a little confetti on first because she's a light purple. And then when I add Trophy Wife, it actually makes like this nice silver color. It's weird. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Y'all see? It's like a nice shimmer silver gold. I don't even know what to call it. I'm in love, y'all. It's a thing. Let's go in with some mascara. I got the Fenty Full Frontal Cause I'm Black mascara, okay? So you know the brush has two sides, y'all. And I watched the tutorial, but I just kind of, I'm sorry. I just kind of, you know, go in all sides all at once. And yeah, it works out. So, yep. What I will say about this mascara, if you want the best effect, you gotta like wiggle while you brush it. And it's magic. I have a natural beat going on. I'm gonna add a lip. And I'm thinking something I never wear anymore. Let's see. How about we use Spanked? It'll match my headband, kinda. So I'm gonna use this little cheap brown lip liner that I got. Don't even know what it is, y'all. Just like that. And then we're gonna go in with Spanked. Oh, y'all. I love it. Yes. Alright. And then I've heard so many good things about this all-nighter Urban Decay setting spray. So I had to go pick some up, see what it's all about. And I'm loving that it's like double capped. Like, okay, y'all. I'm loving it, y'all. This is a whole mood right here. Brush the wig out a little.